In the last video, we went through the login and the creation of accounts, and now we are logged in, and this is the profiles page where users can update their personal information, including your name, your contact details, and other personal data. Click on the Edit Profile button to update your personal information. Now you can enter in your phone number, a valid phone number, your gender, your date of birth, location, your country, your state, and your local area where you reside, and your address, as well as your bank details, your account number, your bank name, account name. The bank details information are very useful when you are involved in a business transaction and third parties want to see your account information to process payments. So these are the personal informations that you can update on your profiles page. And once you're done, you click on Save Changes to save all the personal informations that you've updated. Now, also on the profile page, we have two important features: the check activity feature and the account history feature. Now, under the account history and the check activity, we can see a table that contains session ID, status, time started, and time ended. Tverza tracks all users' login and logout activities in a session-based format. When a user logs in, a unique session ID is generated, and all pages visited during that session are recorded. The session ends when the user logs out, and the total session duration is registered. For example, we have a single session ID here, which is the current session we are in at the moment, our current login session. And the status of the session says ongoing. We haven't logged out yet, so the session is not done. The time started is the time we logged in to the session, and the time ended is empty, as seen as the session is not yet ended. Now, we would go to account history. The account history keeps track of every pages visited during a session. Now we would click on the session that we want to see the pages we visited during that session. Now, seeing we have just one session here, we are going to click on the only session we have here to see the pages we have visited during this login session. This helps users create an accountability format where users can see pages and backtrace activities they have carried out during a particular time, so as to give users an idea of what they did, actions they carried out during a session. So we'll click on our only session active here to see the pages that we have visited during this session. At the moment, once you click on that, you are redirected to a page. You're redirected to a page where you see the name of the pages you have visited and the number of times you have visited those pages. As you can see, for the profiles page, we have visited the page 4 times now already. For the user activities page, we have visited it once. And for the edit profile page, we have visited it also once. That's all on account history. Next video, we will be talking about the check activity feature to see account activities during a session.